Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So I was planning to do the say so, X like that, X do it again TikTok dance, so I thought I might as well just do a separate tutorial for this do it again dance by Mr. Noah for the ones that are only interested in this dance. And thank you, Miller and Sierra, for requesting this awesome dance. Okay, so this dance is short and simple, so we're just gonna do a preview, breakdown, recap, and then practice. Okay, quick preview. It goes no to point here. Let's roll it again. How we did it on a small nightstand. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so let me break it down for you. It goes both arms up, cross, down, and then repeat it. Both arms up, cross, down. Now from here you want to say point, up, and then from here you want to say roll it. Let's just try that. So we're going to say cross, down, point, and roll down. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say no. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and no, and no, and a point, and a roll. Roll. Let's try that again. A bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go no, no, point, roll, roll. Yeah, okay, so the next thing we're gonna practice is a fist here, cross on your hips, and then you wanna say out. Yeah, so I went from roll here, I wanna say cross, and then out. So let's just do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out. So cross out from here, you wanna say arms go up. Yeah, so I went from here to here. Yeah, because I want to do clap up. Yeah, notice how my elbows are coming together down here, and the same with my hands up here. Scissors. Yeah, so my fists go cross, out, hands, clap, back. Yeah, so let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go cross, out, and up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hands, up, down. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hands, up, down. This one is actually a bit faster. So it goes cross, out, hands, hands, hands. Let's just try that tempo so we get used to it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hand, hand, hand. Start one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hand, hand, hand. Okay, so let's take the last part as well. So we're gonna go cross, out, hand, hand, hand. From here, we want to say cross up to your shoulders here. Yeah. So I went from here, slide out to your shoulders. And then you want to say push yourself up. Yeah, so I'm pushing my arms down, going up on my toes. Yeah, so just lifting yourself just a bit. And then that's it. Yeah, so let's just practice that combo. We're going to say cross hips, out, hands, up, down, and shoulder, lift. Let's try that. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, and hands up, down, shoulder, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hands up, down, shoulder, up. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, out, hand up, down, shoulder up. Okay, so let me just do a recap now. It goes no to point you. Let's roll it again. How we did it on a small nightstand. Alright guys, now let's practice. So I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And no to point you. Let's roll it again. How we did it on a small nightstand. Try a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And no to point you. Let's roll it again. How we did it on a small nightstand. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. No to point you. Let's roll it again. How we did it on a small nightstand. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do that. Do it again, TikTok dance by Noah. Now, if you're planning to do this dance on TikTok or on Instagram or wherever, please tag me. I'd love to see you do the dance. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more TikTok tutorials. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.